हेलो देयर व्यूअर, सो आई एम इन सैंज वाली जो हिमाचल प्रदेश में है और द ग्रेट हिमालयन नेशनल पार्क का एक मेजर हिस्सा है. In the previous episode of Sainj Valley, I showed the Shangar Meadows and a picturesque waterfall. And if you want to check out these locations, then click on the link showing at the top right of this video. Hi guys, very good morning to you. It's another day here in Sainj Valley at Shangar. और मुझे आपको अपनी प्यारी सी दोस्त से मिलवाना है, प्रवीण.
Hello, hi again.
Hi again, yes. So you remember we said कि हम लोग शायद दुबई में मिलेंगे, but guess what happened?
We couldn't stay apart.
Yes.
And here we are on our second trip 1 week later.
Yeah, and this is happening because वो trip इतनी छोटी थी, we weren't satisfied. So
Totally.
the moment we got home, we were like कि नहीं, we need another trip together.
Yeah, we need to get back to Pahad.
Yes, so we're here again and कहाँ जा रहे हैं आज हम प्रवीण?
So we are heading to Rupi Raila to visit the
Twin
Towers.
Yes, so we're going to go there now and it's going to take us about 1.5 hours to reach.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll be there and see you. Can't wait to show you. Namaste. I have reached the Rupi Raila Twin Towers. आप यहाँ पर अपनी कार से आ सकते हैं या फिर आप टैक्सी करके आ सकते हैं. एंड फ्रॉम द रोड टू द टावर्स इट्स अ 1 minute walk. So it's easy peasy, and what I really like about the towers and this area is firstly the architecture of the towers. It's beautiful. Then there are 2 houses here जो कि again बहुत ही सुंदर हैं, so that is very pretty. And another thing is that when you come here during monsoon, जो आपको पूरा इलाका है वो आपको पूरा lush green दिखेगा. So it's very like green, and you know the area is surrounded by clouds, black and grey clouds. So it's like अभी तो drizzling होने लगी है, and I'm just very much enjoying the view. The Twin Towers, or locally known as the Dhaliara Koti, the 2 tall structures of the Raila village, said to be built around the 7th century during the rule of Thakurs. The tower, located a little above the other, is a home to a local deity और काफी सालों तक दूसरे टावर में लोग भी रहा करते थे. When you come here, please make sure that you leave the area as it is. Please गंदा मत करिएगा because it's a sacred place, a hidden gem, and you know, just please कचरा मत करना. Be responsible, maintain the sanctity of this place. That's all I have to say. And come here, enjoy the view, interact with the locals, just have fun. After seeing the Twin Towers, मेरे इस trip का favorite part आने वाला है. So stick around to see this beautiful waterfall. From the Twin Towers to the waterfall, it's about 40 minutes of drive. So now I'm at the parking lot and now I'm going to start the hike for the waterfalls. And from the parking spot, 10 minute की walking है to the waterfall, and it's an easy walk, just a little uphill. That's it. And yeah, and let me just get to the waterfall and show it to you now. Well, that's the waterfall behind me. I'm not sure if you can hear me because of the sound of the water falling. But let me tell you that this is a beautiful spot. Like दोनों तरफ mountain है, मेरे पीछे एक temple है. So now I'm going to enjoy the tranquil weather and the beautiful cold water in this season. we are at the waterfall. Try, don't trip. Be easy on yourself.
Yeah.
So, how are you feeling right now?
Honestly, I am like, please leave me here. Get me a tent, and I'll pitch and I'll stay here and enjoy this beautiful view for the next couple of days. Love it. It's
Yeah.
like a must. Like people should please. It's just a long drive, a little long, but it's so worth it. I mean, even look at it. I just wow.
The water is hitting the rock and there's wind, so there's mist.
This is like, you know, mineral water, natural mineral water mist.
Okay.
Yeah.
इस ट्रिप पर अपने बचपन के दोस्त के साथ जाने से मुझे ये बात तो ज़रूर एहसास हो गई कि जब आपको मौका मिले तो टेक दैट ट्रिप विद योर लव्ड वंस, नहीं तो जाने कब फिर ये मौका मिलेगा टू मेक दीज स्पेशल मेमोरीज।